What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from saferwholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the 60 volt 1000 watt electric truck. Now, this is called the cargo trike truck because it's a three-wheeler. You've got one wheel in the front and two in the back. Now this one here, it's got drum brakes in the front, drum brakes in the back. There's all kinds of features. You got nice storage underneath the front seat right here, as well as the entire truck bed. Now this truck bed, just so you guys know, all you got to do to lift the tailgate is you got your left and right hand side, and you can pull that right down. And now you have your nice, huge, large truck space in the back. You can also go ahead and fold it down. All you do is pull the lever right here like so, and you pull, and you've got extra storage. And you can easily load and unload. Very simple. We'll go ahead and put those back. And then again, it's going to come with your charger, which is located in the box right here like so, and it will plug in to a regular 110 wall outlet. Again, very easy to use, easy to ride, easy to drive. It's fully assembled. And this one here, you've got your nice digital dash. You've got your lights on the front, on the left-hand side. We also have turn signals here. You've got your horn, and in some states, you can street legalize this to drive it all over. Now, you've got 1, 2, and 3 different speeds, and then you've got your forward and reverse. Now, you've got your twist throttle here to make it go, and then you've got your brake like so right there on this vehicle. And again, we've got them in stock right now, super bright LED lights right in the front here, and we can ship these once again nationwide right to your front door. And this one here, once again, is in the black color. Now you can seat two right here in the front as well. You've got your parking brake. You can release and pull right there, and then you also have your rear view mirrors as well. So this one here, again, in black, and then we also have red, and then we also have the blue. So give us a call today. Toll-free number here, it's 866-606-3991. And once again, you've got your brake lights, you've got your ambers for your turn signals, and your reverse lights. And this one here, the 60 volt 1000 watt electric trike, in stock right now, saferwholesale.com.